everyone, and welcome to this week's video, which intends to make you a charismatic person. But what is being charismatic? As per Oxford Dictionary, charismatic means the powerful personal quality that some people have to attract and impress other people. And who doesn't want to be likable and attractive? So here I am with these 4 qualities that charismatic people have. But before we get into it, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. And don't forget that this channel is all about enhancing your style, behavior, and confidence. So, what are you waiting for? Subscribe! Number 1, genuine smile and laughter. Now, I have always emphasized on having a genuine smile and laughter because it shows your confidence and it shows how well you can connect with people. Most people find it hard to smile, let alone the laughter. And that's more because these people are afraid of their social standing and what people will think about them. So they think that they will be judged if they laugh aloud or if they smile a lot. So for them, what will people think factor is greater than how they feel. On the other hand, charismatic people enjoy every bit of the conversation and allow themselves to find humor even in small little things. And that's what makes them more likable.
Perfect. Moving on to our next one. That was great.
Thank you so much. So I have arms on all my fingers. Oh my god. That's actually made my day. Just thinking about it. Like, hello.
Daenerys Targaryen.
Mother of dragons.
Yes. Hello.
The second point is use of supportive words. A couple of supportive words are, that's right, absolutely, certainly, exactly.
You're as well deserved. As is your right as a Lego figure.
Exactly.
Your mother likes your merch.
Oh, goodness. Yeah, okay.
These words help you strengthen the conversation and it makes the other person feel that you support them and their ideas. And this should not be misunderstood by being submissive because charismatic people put forward their point without negating the other person.
You have 10 actual friends and not just Weasley showbiz hangers-on.
Exactly.
Now, are they actual friends or are they Weasley
They're
showbiz?
actual friends.
Okay.
People I work with, friends of mine, people I love, like my family.
Well, there you go. Okay,
You know,
good
like,
enough.
So I sat around and I looked around the table and I looked at all these people and their faces and everyone was just sort of talking.
The third point is taking the energy one level up.
Hits, the back hits, and you hear boom, boom. And we all looked at each other, and there was a shock, and I yelled out, "We're in an accident!"
You'll think that you will look stupid doing this. On the contrary, people appreciate those who take the energy inside the room one level up. Have you ever noticed people in a party generally do not start dancing on their own? They wait until someone charismatic comes up with a higher level of energy and starts dancing, and then people join in. So people follow and like those who can take the energy one level higher.
Sixers fan.
Philadelphia, yes, Philadelphia.
You went through.
Yeah.
Point number 4, being expressive. Charismatic people are dexterous in expressing themselves. Right from empathizing with you to narrating a story in an illustrative way, they have the skill to retain the audience.
So in love with you. You don't even have to get a new one.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
This implies you using your body language effectively. This is also used by stand-up comedians in physical comedy when they move their hands and their legs and all the facial expressions to narrate their story. And they are very expressive in whatever they are saying.
He could be starting it sitting down and he kind of does like a little, like you got to pout with it. And then he'll, and it's just all of this. It's all of that. You got to like mince it though. Yes, exactly.
This makes people more interested in listening to them and they enjoy their conversations. If you want to know more about body language and understand the intricacies of it, then I would suggest you to join our course, which is on Paytm Insider, and you can get the tickets from there. Our courses have helped a lot of people transform their lives positively. That's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, I think you did, then don't forget to give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button along with the bell icon. And I shall see you next week with fresh content and another amazing video. Till then, you take care, and don't forget this channel is all about enhancing your style, behavior and confidence. Bye-bye.